Today we will learn how to make a 3D can in Photoshop. First of all, take a logo of any juice brand. Keep it a little smaller than the size of the background. And remember that there should not be an artboard in the background. Now take an eyedropper from the toolbar or press the I button from the keyboard and take a sample of the background color of the logo. Take a brush from the toolbar or press the B button from the keyboard and click and drag to cover all 4 sides of the logo with color. Go to the 3D menu bar, go to New Mesh from Layer, click on Soda in the Mesh preset. Now your 3D can is ready. You can not only make 3D cans, you can also make other objects. See in this list, there are many more options. This cone, cube, wrap, cube, cylinder, donut, pyramid, ring, sphere, and this wine bottle. You can make all of these too. Just use the logo or image. You have to place it according to presets. Okay, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel, and see you again in the next video.